For our questionnaire analysis, we asked an equal amount of 15 boys and 15 females and 15 males to carry out the questionnaire. We found out, we started with asking the age range, and we asked an equal amount of people so we get like a fair amount of results. We asked what their preferred genre of film was, and most of the people said thriller. And as we're doing a thriller opening scene, I mean it'll be successful. When they answered, if they said it was a thriller, we asked what type of thriller they'd be most interested in, and the most people said psychological. Therefore, for our piece, we'll do a psychological thriller opening. We asked how many films on average do you watch a week. Most people said they watch around 12 films, and we also asked what interests them most in the film, so we can sort of get it into the opening and make sure that people are enjoying it. Most people said the genre is what most interests them to a film. We asked what their favourite type of character was, so in the opening we can sort of make sure that we get the right amount of sort of like characters in. Most people said that the hero was their favourite character, therefore we'll have a hero starring in the show. We also asked what kind of actors people enjoyed, and there was an equal amount of people said that their favourites were Bruce Willis, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Sylvester Stallone and Robert De Niro. Therefore we kind of know sort of what kind of actors people sort of go for. We also asked the same question about women and what their favourite actresses were, and Angelina Jolie and Halle Berry came up top. We then asked, out of these thriller films, which is your favourite? And most people said that 2012 and The Shining were their favourite kind of film. That kind of contradicts the fact that they like the psychological thriller the most, but never mind. We also asked what their favourite time of film period was for films, so we can sort of angle our audience more. And they said that the 1980s to 90s and 2000s had equal results, so more modern films tend to be more popular. And then we also asked who the best director for thrillers were, and most people said Alfred Hitchcock and Martin Scorsese, so we can look into their films and see what kind of things they did. And then the last question, we asked what age thrillers do you watch the most, and most people said they watch around 15, so we'll make our opening suitable for those aged 15 and over. Oh, hang on, there's one more. We also asked a time length for how long people sort of watch openings for, and 0 to 20 seconds was sort of how long people would be expected to watch the opening titles for. So the titles will be 20 seconds, and then the acting will be the rest.
Thanks, Miss.